Hello guys, today we will learn that how we can create removal order, that how we can send our inventory from Amazon warehouse to our address, the FBA inventory. So you have to go to your manage inventory and then you have to select the listing for you want to create the removal order, just like that. I want to just create the removal order for all of these my listings. Showing here, so you just have to click here and then you have to click on create removal order. This is very simple and very fast. You have to click on yes and continue from here, and on the very next page you have to provide the information like the address where you want to get back your inventory, and then you have to choose the method of removal. You just have to click on return to address, and you have to write the address where you want to get back your inventory from Amazon warehouse, and you have to select also the number of items that you want to get back to your warehouse or your home, or on any place you want. And because from my inventory I have only 6 items of the first product, so I just selected 6 items out of 6, and from the second product I also selected 6 out of 6 because I want to just create removal order for all of my inventory. I just want to get all of inventory from Amazon warehouse to my personal warehouse address. So I just selected the number of items for which I want to create the removal order, and then just scroll down and click on review. Okay, from here just click on review and then click on confirm. Here we go. This is a very simple way to create the removal order from Amazon warehouse. And if you just want to check that how many products you have done, okay, just wait a second, continue, and the removal order have been placed. Let me show you the detailed report where from you can check that the status of your removal order. On this page you have to just click on removal order detail report. From here just click on it, and after clicking on this you will see the status of your removal order, that it is pending or it's done or what it is, whatever. So you can just check your status of your removal order from here. Thank you. If you just like this video, then comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more short and informative videos. Thank you so much.